The initial screen in Remote Commentator shows your current options for video inputs and content destinations, as well as a list of any currently scheduled events. Along the left, you will see a list of the input sources and output servers that you have access to. If you are new to TVU products, your input and output source list will start off empty. You can set these up by contacting TVU support, who will help you configure them so your first broadcast is a success. To create an event in Remote Commentator, select the input source and the output destination and click the Create button. Enter in a clear and descriptive name for the event. Then enter in the dates and times for the start and end of the event. Your video input and output will show what you have selected in the previous screen, and you can change them in this screen if necessary. Now set the video resolution and frame rate format, and how long you want the video latency to be. The remarks field is for a short description or note about the event. Remote Commentator is built to make it easy to have multiple groups of commentators cover the same event at the same time. You need at least one group if only one set of commentators are involved. Or for cases such as events with commentary in several languages, you can split commentators into separate groups to create separate audio output feeds for each language. To create a group, click on Add Group and enter in a clear and descriptive name for the group. To add additional groups, just click on Add Group again and follow the same steps. When you're finished adding groups, click the Save button and you will get the Group Links window. Each group that you created will get a separate link for this event. The commentators will be able to use this group link on any computer or smart device to view the event source video feed and provide their live commentary. Commentators will also be able to use the Talkback feature to speak with their fellow group members off the air, and the event producer can use the coordination feature to communicate with each group independently or all together.